In this video I will talk with you about the text on Wix. So to add a text on Wix, at first you need to go to the plus icon, add element, and then you can see here the text. So at first, the first is themed text. It's mean on your design from here, the site design, here have the text and theme. From here that you have already selected, you can see here for the heading you may select a font, and for the paragraph you may select another font from here. And on the heading, Wix have 6 heading here. You can see heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. And for the heading 1 you may select here some preset design, like as the font we have already selected that. And here you can select when you will take a H1 font on your website, on your editor, then how it will interact. It will automatically design with 60 pixel, and you may bold it, you may make it italic, and you may give a default color of the H1 tag. And here you can see character and line spacing. You may give a default line height and character spacing as well. Okay, and here is the line spacing or line height, what you may call it. And for the everything like as H1, H2, H3, you may give a default design from here. And for the paragraph things, the same things, you may give a default design for the paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3. On Wix have 3 type of the paragraph. So let me go back to the add element. Let me go to add element, and here that we can see the themed text. It's mean they are already the pre-made design. So if I will take a H1, I can see the font size will be 60. Here you can see the 60, and here have option to do the style that you need to use generally. Like as you want to make it H2, then it will be automatically 40 pixel, and you may give another font for it. You may make it bold, you may make it italic from here, you may make it underline from here, and you may give another color of the font. And from here you may give a highlight. It's mean the text background you may give from here, and you may link it with any link. Okay, this is a anchor things. And here have the alignment, the text alignment. If you will make it middle, it will interact from the middle side. And here have the right side, and this is the justify. It basically work for the paragraph. And here have the bullet point. You may make it bullet point as well. Here is the number, here is the dot. Okay, and here have more option. And if I will go to effect here, then you can see here some pre-made effect. You can see the heading might look like that. So you may use them if you need on your design. Here is the vertical text. This is not very important but very powerful things. Like as on many design you can see like that heading, the paragraph. So you may do it from here, the vertical text. And here is the SEO and accessibility. Like as when you will do the search engine optimization, then you need to select from here, it will be H1 or H2 or H3. Okay, and you may reset to theme as well. This is the themed text. Now if I will go to another text, here is the title. It's mean there have some default title design. And then we can see here the paragraph things. You may use the P1, P2, p3. And here is a most important collapsible text. If I will take it on my editor and then make it bigger, then you can see at the very last have 2 dot, and here have a read more button. If I will make it publish, then we can see what will be the work for the collapsible text, how it will interact with us. Here you can see the read more. It's mean when I will click read more, here should be more text. Let me check it why it's not working. Change text. You can see here will be the collapsible text, and what does the button do? Link or expand. We need to make it expand, then it will be like as it will expand. And when I will do the link, then we need to put a link there. When anyone click the read mode, then where it will go. So let me make it expand and let me publish it. Now if I will go to the preview site on our live site, and now if I will click read more, you can see the text make bigger mean the rest of the text are showing there, and here is the small version, here is the big version. And there have another option that we have seen. Let me go to there and make it link and choose a link. We can link it with any other page, web address section, the lightbox as well, the phone number, email. So let me put a web address there, www.wixwebexpert.com. okay, let me make it done and let me publish it. Now if I will go to our live site, then now if I will click read more, it will go to our website wixwebexpert.com. okay, so look like that way work the collapsible text. Now if we will check another things here, text marks, this is amazing feature. okay, so now if I will take this one, the explore here, you can see their background have a video. So let me publish the design and let me go to the preview. Maybe it's not published yet. Let me publish it again and let me now give a hard refresh. Control Shift R. Here you can see a video is running into the text. So now if I will go to change the text, here is the change text, customize design, here is the media or the video. We can make it a gradient as well. okay, here is the media, here is the gradient, and here is the text. We can give here the font, the style, the alignment. okay, and here we can make it like as uppercase, lowercase. We can do whatever we want to do. As types, it's mean that we will write here or we will write here, it will display there, and we can make it uppercase as well. Here is the character spacing, the line spacing. okay, let me make it 0. So yes, and here we can give a shadow as well of the text. If I will apply it and let me make it like as 5 distance, blur will be 15, then you can see here is the text that we can make a good layout using this text marks. okay, so look like that way you can add a text on your website and you can make interactive design using them. If you have any more question, you may comment the video. Thank you so much.